Kerja. Kali itu. Ini orang rezekinya dari urutan mereka. Oh, ada mak pak itu ke tagam hitam ni.
Itu jauh apa kan?
Seluruh dunia. Nyakan bayar kanti BO nya kanto BB jenis mana? Kanto yang dua raya di dunia, yang ada raya di Amerika. Hanya duta dulu pakainya.
Ketika mati. Itu beda.
Mungkin kali ini kita tinggal yang tinggal hati-hati ya. Raya yang ini enggak bersiap-siap.
Itu betul.
National Liberation Front.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. In commemoration of the 30th anniversary of the UNDM and 15th session of the Forum, I would like to thank to all relevant stakeholders. Aceh Sumatra National Liberation Front, or ASNF, has been here since 2014 and raising several issues about the dire situation facing ethnic minorities in Indonesia, especially in my homeland, Aceh. As an archipelago, Indonesia consists of hundreds of native ethnic minorities with different stories, backgrounds, cultures, etc. And needless to say that minorities in Indonesia, especially in some restrictive areas such as Aceh and Papua, are often collectively subjected to violence when engaging in political activities to assert their rights. Mr. Chair, last month, exactly in this room, I repeat, last month, exactly in this room, Indonesian Human Rights Record was reviewed in the fourth cycle of UPR. What Indonesia reported during the session was contrary to all the reports by human rights independent experts, civil society group, etc., with a particular reference to human rights defenders, the right to freedom of expression and peaceful assembly. Prior to the UPR session, Indonesian President has signed a decree to resolve gross human rights violations, including Aceh, through non-judicial mechanism. Human rights activists and families of victims have vehemently rejected the move as it's clearly it's a project to whitewash gross human rights abuse and institutionalize humanity. institutionalized impunity. And it's also proof that the government is unable and unwilling to resolve the case through judicial process. In the case of Aceh, most abuse by the military have been thoroughly investigated, and there is also a provision stipulated in the Helsinki Accord to set up the human rights court. But nothing has changed, and not a single perpetrator has been brought to justice. That's why ASNL fully support point number 1 and point number 3, Mr. Chair.